What's your credit score? Shout it, what's your credit score? What's your credit score? Let's shout it, what's your credit score? I don't want your phone number, what's your credit score? If your credit good, we can get some better dough. Get a better crib, better car, better clothes. I don't want your phone number, what's your credit score?
Welcome back. You are now tuned in to Financial Fridays, where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. And this week, I got a sweet treat for y'all college students. Because I know y'all don't know too much about your financial GPA. You might know about your grade point average. But I'm going to talk to you about something that could change your life. So, what is your financial GPA? Your financial GPA is your FICO score. And your FICO score is a number that lenders use to determine how likely it is that you'll pay back a debt. There are many different types of FICO scores, but today we'll be specifically speaking about the FICO Score 8 because it is the most commonly used. The FICO Score 8 ranges from 300 to 850, with 850 being considered the highest, or a 4.0. FICO is short for Fair Isaac Corporation, which was founded by William Fair and Earl Isaac in 1956. The FICO score will also determine the type of interest rates that you will get when you try to take out a loan. The closer you are to 850, the lower the interest rates are that you will receive. The FICO score is determined by information that is found within your credit report. And when it comes to credit reporting, there are three major credit bureaus. The three major credit bureaus are...
What are the three major credit bureaus?
Not sure.
Equifax. Is it Shirium one? Close.
Three major credit bureaus? What do you think? I'd probably get this. Just because we're near the financial building, not near the business administration building?
You got it?
No, I did not. No.
No. I don't know what Dale's talking about, but the three major credit bureaus are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. There are 5 major components when it comes to formulating your FICO score. And the 5 major components are payment history, credit usage, length of credit, type of credit, and your recent credit searches. Let's start off with payment history. It makes up 35% of your score, and it includes bankruptcies, liens, judgments, settlements, charge-offs, repossessions, foreclosures, or late payments. Any one of these can make your score drop significantly. Next, let's talk about credit usage. It makes up 30% of your credit score. And realistically, you should only be using 30% of your credit limit. So let's say, for example, you have a credit card with a $100 credit limit. You should only be using $30 out of that $100 each month and then paying it off. Your length of your score or the amount of time you've had it on file make up 15% of your score. The average age of your accounts and the oldest account are the 2 metrics used within this category. But since you're rocking with me, I got a little trick that you can use. If someone in your family has a good and lengthy credit history, you can try to convince them to add you to their account as an authorized user, which will allow you to benefit from their credit history. And they also have the option to add you as an authorized user without giving you access to their account, so they don't have to worry about you messing up their credit. The types of credit used make up 10% of your score. So if you have credit cards, student loans, a home mortgage, a car loan, and they are all in good standings, this will increase your score. Your recent credit searches make up 10% of your score. Whenever you're looking for car loans, credit cards, or home mortgages, the lender is going to run your credit so that they can check your credit worthiness. And this will also show up on your credit report as a hard inquiry, which will have a negative effect on your FICO score. This does not mean that you shouldn't apply for any loans. All this means is that you shouldn't do it excessively. For car loans and mortgages, all similar inquiries that are done within a 2-week time period will count as one. So whenever you are shopping for a car loan or a home mortgage, you should plan that out ahead of time so that you do not damage your FICO score. I hope you liked this episode. And for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate it. But I can clearly see there's some of y'all that aren't subscribing because y'all don't want to see me winning. But it's okay. You can subscribe this week. And if you really like this episode, share it. And if you want to follow me on the gram, you could do that too. But this week, we gotta Millie Rock.
Why is it so hard to do the little things that would improve my life? The way that our minds are designed is our minds are designed to stop you at all costs from doing anything that might hurt you.